What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. A month after they have announced Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro in China, Xiaomi Mi 10 and 10 Pro are now officially coming to European market. The Mi 10 start at 799 euros for the base variant, whereas there is another 8GB and 256GB model for 899 euros. Whereas the Mi 10 Pro will go for 999 euros. We already know the specification of these devices, but let's in this particular video remind those specifications as well. Both the Mi 10 models come with a 6.67 inch of AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. 90Hz is a refresh rate, and a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera is going to be seen on top left corner of the device, which holds a 20 megapixel of a selfie camera. There is also a built-in fingerprint scanner and a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Whereas on the back side of the device, the two phones also share the main 108 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, capability of recording video at 8K resolution. The biggest difference comes from the rest of the snapper, where the Mi 10 Pro has an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with a 10 time of hybrid zoom, as well as a second shooter of 12 megapixel tele module with a 2 time of optical zoom. There is also a 20 megapixel wide angle camera sensor present on the backside. The vanilla Mi 10 on the other hand comes with a 13 megapixel of ultra wide shooter, the 2 megapixel macro cam, and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. Internally, if you look at the device, it is coming with a Snapdragon 865 chipset and paired with X55 5G modem on both the phone, alongside up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Another key difference between these two devices is the battery department, where the Mi 10 boasted a large 4780 mAh of a battery, while the Mi 10 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh of a cell. Charging speed also varies, with Mi 10 Pro managing up to 50 watt of fast wide charging, while the Mi 10 tops at 30 watt wide charging. Both phones support 30 watt of wireless charging, along with an option for 5 watt of reverse wireless charging support present inside. Pre-order start at April 1 and comes with an €100 of gift box, which include the Mi True wireless earphone. Whereas the actual sales are scheduled for April 15. Pre-orders in Italy, France and Germany starts on March 28, while the sales are planned for 7th April. Overall, the device we already know that is kind of a new device, and it is coming with a 108 megapixel camera sensor in both of the devices, and Snapdragon 865 is much capable of handling the 8K video recording which this camera can perform. That device is going to be an impressive device in terms of camera performance, whereas in terms of sales, I am not pretty much sure about whether this device is going to be a hit in the Europe or not, because as you know that the coronavirus is spreading in Italy and Spain, so we might see a delay in the sales for this particular device. So guys, that is it in this particular video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.